Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Nomad Motorcycles YouTube channel. Today I've got something different for you guys to check out. This is the 2020 Triumph Tiger Rally, fully kitted out. This bike's actually on sale right now, which is why I'm doing this video as a favor to my friend. Onroad, it's about 19 lakhs. He's asking 15 for it. I'll just give you a quick walk around. I'm not gonna point out the details. This is not a review video. You guys can go and check out other videos on YouTube to check out the details of the bike. I've been riding it a little bit today, and I gotta say I really enjoyed it. It's super smooth. I'm just gonna start the bike up real quick. I have to put the phone down so that I can hold the clutch. So this bike comes with a whole bunch of accessories. The list of accessories that come with the bike will be mentioned down in the description, along with the contact number of the person that's selling it. You can speak to him directly. His name's Neil. He's a childhood friend of mine. If you guys want to see me do review videos of premium bikes, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to go ahead and make some. Thanks for joining us. Cheers.